Okay, Dad. Okay, I'm going to start going. I'm going to run around 3 times. Actually, 5. And I'm going to go and beat the record. Bye.
On your mark. Get set. Go. You gonna keep going or you gonna stop? Guess he's gonna go. I think he's getting tired. Yeah, my money is on him taking a seat.